Welcome back. Today we're learning how to handle long paragraphs and multi-line text in Dart without breaking our code. Let's create a string variable called paragraph. Now I'm going to copy a paragraph from a text file on my desktop and paste it here inside these regular quotes. Look at that, red errors everywhere. Dart is complaining because regular single or double quotes cannot span across multiple lines like this. To fix this, Dart gives us a super clean feature called triple quotes. 3 single quotes at the start, 3 single quotes at the end. Notice how all the red errors instantly disappear. When you use 3 single quotes at the beginning and 3 at the end, Dart allows your text to freely flow across as many lines as you want. Now let's hit run. Look at the terminal. It printed the entire paragraph, keeping the exact same line breaks and formatting as our original file. By the way, you can also use 3 double quotes if you prefer. Both work identically. Now, let's move on to another important topic. Escape characters. What if we have a small piece of text, but we still want it to be printed across multiple lines? For example, displaying a user's name, salary, and age. Let's try doing this using triple quotes first. Sure, it works, but take a look at our code editor. Because the text is so small, breaking it into multiple lines like this makes our code look unnecessarily stretched and messy to the eye. It ruins the flow of our file. To keep our code compact and clean, we can write everything on a single line using regular quotes and special escape character \n. Name, John, \n, salary, 20k, \n, age, 25. The \n stands for Newline. It acts as an invisible enter key inside your regular string. Let's hit run and look at the terminal. It prints 3 separate lines perfectly, while our Dart code itself stays combined in just a single line. And that's it for multi-line strings. Use triple quotes for long, heavy paragraphs and use \n when you want quick line breaks in short strings to keep your code clean and compact. Open VS Code, try both techniques yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.